In this video, I'll guide you through how to add markers in Google Maps. Whether you're planning a road trip, organizing a project, or just like to keep track of places, knowing how to add markers to Google Maps can be incredibly handy. Let's dive right in and make sure you're set up to personalize your maps with ease. To start, open your web browser and head over to google.com/maps. This will take you to the main Google Maps interface where the magic begins. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is select a location. You can do this by typing the name of the place in the search bar or simply navigating directly on the map to find the spot you're interested in. Now, look to the top left corner of the screen and find the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Give that a click. This menu is your gateway to more advanced features in Google Maps, including the ability to save and customize maps. Within this menu, you'll see an option labeled Saved. Click on that. This section is where Google Maps allows you to manage your saved places, and from here, we'll move to creating a custom map. Next, click on Maps. This will lead you to a page that showcases all the maps you've saved or created. To start adding your own markers, you'll need to create a new map. So go ahead and click on Open My Maps. Once you're in the My Maps interface, you'll notice an option to create a new map. Click on it and then confirm by clicking Create. This will open up a blank map canvas where you can start adding markers and other elements to personalize your map. Now, look for the toolbar just under the search bar. You'll find an icon that looks like a small pin, which is the Add Marker tool. Click on that icon. It's time to select the exact spot where you want to place your marker. You can either search for the location again using the search bar or navigate directly on the map. Once you've found the spot, click on the map to drop your marker. With your marker now placed, you'll have the option to add details. A pop-up will appear where you can give your marker a name and description. This is perfect for adding context, notes, or any specific information you want to keep handy for that location. And there you have it. You've successfully added a marker to Google Maps. You can repeat these steps to add as many markers as you need, making your map as detailed and informative as you like. Remember, these personalized maps can be a great tool for sharing plans with friends, organizing travel itineraries, or simply keeping track of your favorite spots. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you feel more confident in customizing your own Google Maps. Happy mapping!